That's all. You're playing the part of a depressed person because it is less frightening than truly living your life. Stop it! Look at me. I'm as frightened as a pig. I can play a 20-year-old, a teenager even. Woo! You know, someone actually asked me to play Juliet recently. It's true. It was a recast, so I didn't do it, but I can play her and no one will back down here. Is me.
No. He wants you to be proud of it.
Then write a normal play. I'm sorry, it's lazy. It's cowardly to hide behind this gibberish technology, claiming it's cutting edge